Today we're going to dive into the process of replacing your pump's leathers. For the 3040 models, your leather's part number is 3526. For the 3020 models, your leather's part number is 3525. For the 3010 models, your leather's part number is 3525. We're going to start by using the 3/4 inch wrench to unscrew the nut on the inside of the cylinder. Now we can see the leathers. To disassemble the current leather assembly, back off the 3/4 inch bolt that passes through the entire assembly and the 3/4 inch nut. We can now remove the leather, the washer, and the spacer. It is important to note the size difference between the spacer and the washer. We will now remove the second leather and the second washer. To reassemble the leather assembly, start by taking the new leather and insert the washer inside as shown here. The leather needs to be face up with the cup facing the bolt head. Now we will push the leather onto the piston follower. Follow that with the spacer. Take the second leather and insert the washer. As we have shown before, the leathers should now mirror each other with the cup facing opposite. To finish the leather assembly, we're going to screw the nut back down to the piston follower. Now we're going to utilize the 3-inch piece to complete this assembly. An important note is that the 3-inch cylinder guide needs to be purchased separately from your maintenance kit. We're going to insert the leathers into the cylinder guide. Sometimes this can be challenging. If the leathers are opened, you'll have to work at least one edge in. Once you have that edge in, then you can slide it all the way through so you don't mar up the edges of the new leather. With a 3/4 inch socket, we're going to tighten the leathers back down to the piston rod. We recommend hand tightening with just the socket as we show here. Secure and finish off with the wrench. And there you have it, leather replacement made easy. If you've got a different model, don't worry. The process is very similar. Dankoff Solar, an investment in your future.